Tampa has been in the cigar business since 1886. Eric Newman of J.C. Newman Cigar Company knows how important cigars are.
Cigars to Tampa is like wine is to Napa, cars are to Michigan, the French to the French Quarter, Disney to Orlando. This is what makes Tampa different from any other city in the country. We are the cigar city.
The FDA's new regulation requires cigar companies to go through 5,000 hours of testing to check for chemicals on the same cigars they've been making for years. They say the new rules would make it impossible to stay in business. This is the last cigar company in Tampa, and it could go out of business due to new rules and regulations by the FDA. So Lieutenant Governor has chosen to step in. The Lieutenant Governor sees the history behind the business and is trying to save the company by making phone calls to the FDA and Congress.
We're willing to put forth the time and energy to make sure we do what we can to make sure that this business can continue to operate like it has for 119 years.
Shutting down J.C. Newman Cigar Company creates a domino effect, putting a strain on the printing, shipping, and packaging industry. They have put up a banner on the building and has a website, SaveCigarCity.com.
130 employees that work for us. Each of our employees have a family to feed. They have mortgages. All we want to do is be left alone, make our cigar.
In hopes they can reach the public and sway the FDA, asking to be exempt from the new rules.